Hi. In Lexzur, you can manage the approvers and signers for contracts based on specific criteria. These permissions can be configured according to the contract type and values, or any other relevant criteria. Navigate to the System Settings, then scroll down to the Contracts section and select Approval Center. You'll be taken to a page where you can view all existing approval centers, as well as edit, delete, clone, or add a new one. To create a new approval center, begin by giving it a name, such as Employment Agreement. Next, specify the approval conditions by selecting the contract field, such as type, value, requester, date, etc. For example, we'll choose the type as Employment Agreement. Then, select the operator and the corresponding contract field value. You can add as many criteria as necessary for your approval center. Next, specify the users or groups to whom the approval request should be assigned. Designate the approval label, such as Head of Legal, Head of Finance, HR, etc. You can also select the approver, who could be a user, collaborator, or any relevant person. Furthermore, you can add more than one approver under the defined conditions and specify the approval order. Once saved, a new approval process will be added, and it will be automatically applied when adding a contract that meets its conditions. The same process applies to the Signature Center. Once again, from the Contract settings, open the Signature Center and add a new signature process. For instance, let's create a Signature Center for the General Employment Agreement. Similarly, provide it with a name, choose the contract type as a condition, and designate HR as a signee. You can add as many signers as needed. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.